Hey everybody, just want to show you all my new snake rack I'm building. It is for 28 quart Sterilite tubs made out of melamine, and I love working with this stuff. It's great, it's real sturdy, it holds in the moisture, and it's not affected by any moisture, so it's not going to bubble up. It's nice hard plastic, as most of y'all know. It's really just great stuff. Right now I only got 4 shelves in. I need to go out and get another sheet of melamine, and then I'll be able to add about another 5, maybe 6 shelves. So this will be a nice tall rack. It's really nice. Made all the tubs to slide in and out real nice. Just use a piece of whatchamacallit, cardboard as a spacer, which I think I made this one a little bit too too much give there. These slide in and out real nice. I got this piece right here. It's 8 inches wide by 6 feet tall. That's holding up the front end, and then the back. And another piece. It's a little over 8 inches. Just going right down the back. So 3 legs, just a whole bunch of shelves. Now what I'm going to do for the heating, get heat cable, and I drilled that, sawed out this part right here. I'm going to put the cable going right down there. It's 4 inches from the back, and put aluminum tape on top of it. Hold it down nice and secure, and that way it also radiate to about, something like this. So give it a nice gradient heating going right there on the back of the tub, and then just rope it down. Keep going. That one's a my friend messed up a little bit with this saw on that one, but oh well. As long as the cable goes in it, tape goes over top of it, it'll look nice. So yeah, that's what the new rack is going to look like. I'll do another video when it is complete. So take care.